From feature films and marketing videos to social media reels and sports highlights, videos are on every screen around us. All videographers and filmmakers strive to produce stunning videos to express their creativity. But even the most talented videographers need some help to edit and fine-tune their videos and take them to the next level. Adobe Premiere Pro is one of the most comprehensive and widely used digital video editing programs in the world. Whether you are a beginner editing social media videos or studying to be a professional videographer to produce for the big screen, you can do it all using Adobe Premiere Pro. This course prepares students for the Adobe Certified Professional exam for Premiere Pro. Starting with zero experience, students will learn how to navigate this amazing software, helping them to lay a strong foundation towards a career in the world of digital video creation and design.